We are pleased to show you the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.